This flawlessly prepared hotel room is the result of work that began before the housekeeper even entered. The final state of this space depends on the equipment and readiness waiting right here in the hallway. Reaching this level of readiness requires completing 4 physical milestones: securing your personal gear, stocking your chemical caddy, loading your mobile cart, and positioning yourself in the workspace. Before initiating this setup, gather your baseline tools. You must have your designated uniform, personal protective equipment, daily assignment sheet, and an empty cart. This setup sequence dictates the success of your entire shift. Following a systematic preparation prevents critical errors and ensures you have the resources needed for every room on your list. Step 1 is preparing yourself. This means pulling long hair back securely and removing excess rings, bracelets, or necklaces so nothing interferes with your line of sight or physical movement. Next, equip closed-toe non-slip footwear. These must be on before you begin moving heavy equipment or working with liquid solutions. As shown here, loose clothing and dangling accessories create snag points around door handles and equipment. Without non-slip footwear, a slightly wet tile floor becomes an immediate slip hazard. Once your uniform is secure, apply your first layer of personal protective equipment. Put your gloves on before you handle any cleaning materials. Securing your hair, wearing proper shoes, and applying gloves serve as your primary physical safeguards. These requirements act as functional barriers against chemical exposure and bodily injury. With your personal gear secured, step 2 is organizing your handheld caddy. This is your primary tool set for completing specific tasks inside the guest room. Your caddy requires a specific inventory of liquids. Load it with glass cleaner, an all-purpose cleaner, and a disinfectant. Next, you must stock your microfiber cloths. Microfiber is a synthetic material designed with microscopic hooks that trap and lift dust particles off a surface, rather than just moving them around. This matrix shows how to prevent cross-contamination. By linking distinctly colored cloths to specific target cleaning zones, like red for sanitary areas and blue for glass, you ensure that tools used for cleaning bathrooms never touch other surfaces. A standardized arrangement in your caddy prevents accidental chemical mixing and allows you to retrieve the correct tool instantly during your shift. Step 3 involves stocking the housekeeping cart. You will organize this modular system based on the specific types of services listed on your assignment sheet for the day. This wireframe cart model features 3 functional zones. The middle section houses neatly stacked fresh inventory, keeping it off the floor. Exterior flanks isolate waste bags from soiled linens. Finally, never store liquids on the top tray. Gravity leaks will ruin the clean inventory below. Load this cart to its par level, the exact amount of supplies needed for your assigned rooms. Overstocking creates a heavy cart that causes physical strain and can block your view in the hallway. The internal architecture of your cart determines your physical ergonomics. A strictly organized cart protects your back and shoulders for the duration of the shift. Step 4 is spatial orientation. Your assignment sheet now dictates your physical movement through the property as you head to your first room. This top-down map shows correct hallway positioning, flush against the wall and adjacent to the door, leaving a clear passage lane for guests. Contrast this with a poorly placed cart. Every foot of distance requires extra walking to fetch items or dump waste. Minimizing these repetitive transit steps reduces physical fatigue over an 8-hour shift. Proper alignment ensures you aren't walking unnecessary distances just to access your tools. Route mapping and cart placement allow you to manage your time while protecting your physical energy and the guest's environment. You have met the 4 physical milestones. Your uniform is secure, your caddy is stocked, your cart is balanced, and you are positioned in the hallway. You are ready to begin. As you enter the hallway, your professional conduct and communication skills are now in use. Always pause to acknowledge a passing guest, confirming your role as a hospitality professional. The preparation phase is complete. You are now moving from setup into the active room cleaning process. A standardized pre-shift setup ensures consistent quality in your work. You have built the foundation. Now it is time to begin.